Tired of accidentally opening incognito mode or concerned about others using it on your device? Let's take control of your Chrome browser and remove incognito mode in just a few simple steps. First, open your Google Chrome browser in the top right corner. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these to open the Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Extensions. A submenu will appear. Click on Manage Extensions. You're now on the Chrome Extensions page. In the top left corner, you'll see a menu button. Click it. At the bottom of this menu, click on Open Chrome Web Store. Once there, you'll find the search bar in the upper left-hand corner of the Chrome Web Store. Type Incognito Mode Blocker into the search bar and press Enter. Several extensions will appear that can disable or restrict incognito mode. Browse through the extensions and choose one that has good reviews and a substantial number of users to ensure its reliability. For example, the incognito filter. Click on the extension you've chosen, and then click the Add to Chrome button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension automatically. Once installed, the extension should automatically disable the incognito mode option in your Chrome menu. You might need to restart Chrome for the changes to take full effect. Look for the extensions icon in your Chrome toolbar to confirm it's active. Enjoy a more controlled and secure browsing experience.